Good morning mga idol. We're back. Happy Sunday sa ating lahat. Lahat ba tayo ay nakapagsimba na and nakapagkape na? It's my day off today kaya meron tayong opportunity na makapaglaro manually. Okay? So we are currently in my third alt. Ito yung third alt ko and tignan nyo kahit yung items na nakakabit dyan, ganyan lang. For as long as nasa level 1 ka lang ng Snowflake Garden, tignan nyo yung na-gather ko na Snowflake Crystals. I was able to gather 4,200 or more kasi meron pa akong remaining 36 minutes of dungeon time. So with that, syempre, isasama ko kayo para makita nyo kung ano yung na-loot ko. Okay? So, punta tayo sa shop. And then, exchange. Yun. So, we're just gonna exchange this for medyas. Yung medyas na to. So, alright. Sana swertehin tayo ng maraming Radiant Life Core. Yun yung parang gusto ko talaga na makuha eh. Wow. Parang weird. It's almost always na 59 yung bilang ng advanced upgrade scrolls. Yeah. Parang weird lang. And okay na ako dito sa 4 na Radiant Life Core. Anyway, meron pa namang next week, 'di ba? So we were able to get yung i-mention ko lang yung parang may ang tawag dito, may bilang to me. Okay, yung parang important. So ito importante ito sa akin. Although hindi siya nabibenta kasi nga character bound, but kung yung mga for item log, magagamit natin to. Dito magagamit din natin for refining, 'di ba? Especially sa weapon na gamit na talaga natin. And of course, this one. I'm not gonna dwell so much about this, but it's good to have it. And to be honest, walang tapon. I just wish na sana mas marami yung Radiant Life Core na nakuha ko. Compared dito sa Life Core. But yeah, and I'm gonna show you kung saan ko siya gagamitin. Okay? So that wait. So ito yung mga mounts ko. Naka UT Pro. But yeah, we're just gonna okay lang UT Pro. Okay lang kasi or by the way, tignan nyo. I was able to level up si Pledge. Max yan lahat, di ba? Ang astig, di ba? Kasi meron tayong Merry Christmas dungeon, yung Snowflake dungeon, di ba? Astig. Yan. And yeah, I think I might make 3. Kaya ba? Hindi. Wala akong ganyan. Dun lang sa main. Anyway. Teka. Baka may binibenta. Baka mura lang. $150? No way. Masakit yan. Actually, I'm saving up my diamonds for Battle Pass. Kasi hindi tayo bibili ng next market monthly package. For this month, hindi tayo bumili kasi I've explained it na. And maybe for January, hindi rin tayo bibili just to save up a little bit. So, mag-upgrade tayo ng mga mounts. And this is one of the advantage of ang tawag dito, yung alt. So, I'll focus more on the damage side. So, ito si Soma. I-max natin. Pero hindi pa siya aabot eh. Kulang ng isa. Yan. So, malaking bagay yan. If you think about it, akala nyo, sasabihin nyo, ano lang naman, 1 point, ay, baka kung saan kayo nakatingin. Dito ako nakatingin sa all damage plus 1.99%. Kasi, by the time na na-level up mo yan, just by owning it, mag-a-add up siya dun sa effect. Dito nyo makikita sa owned effect. Yan. So, yan yung lahat overall na na-accumulate ko na benefit from leveling my mounts. And as you can see, I already have 4.87% na addition or plus dun sa all damage ko. Diba? Malaking bagay siya. Sige, hanap pa tayo ng pwedeng ipa may yan. Yeah, I might wanna do it like offline kasi ayokong mauubos yung oras nyo dito sa video na to. Another thing is again to show you my next plans, okay? And also my shall I say realization. Yeah, it could be a realization on my part, okay? So here's another update. Binenta ko yung legendary armors ko, okay? I sold this one. I also sold my plus 10 attack speed plus crit na battle shield. Ito, binenta ko, binenta. Okay. So, nabenta na siya and it's gonna take like 58 hours. Some will arrive earlier but just about the same day. 58 hours yung maximum waiting time ko para ma-receive yung overall amount ng money dito na mag-a-add up sa ating USDT. Now, the reason behind it is I am planning something up. Okay? Hindi ko pa masabi kung ano yung plans ko but definitely it's gonna be a different armor set and possibly a different weapon. Okay? Or it could be a legendary weapon. We'll see. Depende sa budget. But yeah. So, yun yung parang second na gusto kong pag-usapan dito sa video na to aside sa pinakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung benefit ng paglalaro ng alt dito sa Snowflake Dungeon, di ba? Ang malaking tulong naman talaga. The reason behind it is this video right here. So, I'm gonna show it to you. So, yung legendary set na yun, yung features or yung properties niya, ganito. For example, this one, right? Meron siyang melee defense na 104. And then, yung since plus 6 siya, meron pa siyang additional 24. But, what it lacks defense power and damage received decrease, which plays a very great role in terms of PvE. Okay? In terms of PvE. But in terms of PvP, malaking tulong yung set effect niya. Okay? So don't get me wrong. In PvE, mas superior for me yung plate set ko. Because my plate set could reach up to 31% damage received decrease as seen dito sa i-flash ko na video. But in terms of PvP, mas superior yung legendary set because of the compounding yung sa set niya, nag-a-add up yung set effect niya. So yun lang yung parang isang reason. And then with that, meron akong nakita na hindi ko pa kayang sabihin ngayon kasi if i-figure out ko pa, na I think it would be better kung magpapalit ako ng legendary set and at the same time magpapalit ako ng weapon. But yeah, that's the plan. I'm not saying na hindi kaya nating ituloy yan, pero I'm working on it kasi nakita ko na may potential siya doon. Okay? But yun lang muna, hanggang dito lang muna yung video. Sorry, medyo napahaba. Medyo groggy pa from the duty or from work pala. Yeah. So, good morning sa ating lahat. Advanced Happy New Year. Happy Sunday sa ating lahat. Keep grinding.